nail peeps, guess what? It's time for the October Mani by Me box. It is October 19th. I'm just now getting it, but I do live overseas, so there's that. And I am ready to explore. I don't think I know anything about this box, which is kind of amazing. So let me open her up. Okay, we get our cards and we get this bundle of joy. I've got a bundle of joy. Okay, box is done. Let's have a look first. I like to be surprised, so I will hold this over for you guys, but you guys need to read it on your own. Feel free to pause if you want. I have no idea what's in it, so. This is the Sticky Fingers Manicure How-To, and yes, we'll be doing this one. Oh, maybe I have seen something about this. Something about Pooh or something. Okay, maybe I have. Anyway, so this is a how-to, a tutorial that we'll be doing later on in another video. So here is that tutorial. I wonder if we're gonna get this color. Kind of excited now. I don't know, we'll find out. Ah! So there we go. In case you wanted to know how to do that, we will definitely do that tutorial later. Was? What is this? Premium tools for nail artistry. Okay, so I do love the tools, the tool brushes. Okay, let me stop and think before I talk about this. I love the brushes that they have given in a different set. They gave 3 detail brushes. They looked similar to this. There were 3 of them, and they're really great. I use the detail brush the most of all, and it's a great detail brush. So this looks like interchangeable liner brush. I mean, let me go ahead and play with that because you know I have to. Interchangeable liner brush. So we've got this cool little doodad on the end. It's lighter than I expected it to be, honestly. And that is a nice detail brush. It's a little bit fatter than I like my detail brushes to be, but it's a nice detail brush. And I guess what does this do? Is that just a cover for it, you guys? Or a cover for the extra piece. Oh, okay, it screws out. And then you can screw this one in. It's a little bit more work than I like to have, honestly. And then here is like a flathead brush for you. And I'm guessing this is the cover for it. So it's kind of like a pen. Looks like a pen, but it's a nail art tool. Okay, and I guess when I'm storing this one, I can keep it like that. Does anybody know how do you store this thing? Because I can't really... Uh-oh, did I screw up? I think I screwed up. I don't think I was supposed to put it in there. It is hollow. Okay, I'm spending way too much time on the brush. It's an interchangeable nail art brush. What did it say? Interchangeable liner brush. So yeah, there you go. I don't know. I think I'm going to probably end up using the ones that I already have, but I never say no to brushes. I don't know what my deal is. I love me some brushes. Okay, so I will probably, maybe that's so it dries. So you can keep that on there and there's a hole in it so it can dry. I don't know. I like it. I like it a lot. So thanks Maniology for thinking about all of our nail needs. Okay, on to other things in this box. Is this the Pooh one? MXM090. And we also have MXM089. This is the Winnie the Pooh. I have a friend, and you know who you are if you're watching. I have a friend who loves Winnie the Pooh, so she would love this one. I'll have to bring it home for summer so we can do her nails in Winnie the Pooh next year. So very cute. It's got some honeycomb, a honeycomb heart, Pooh with a balloon, different Pooh Bear, and all of his honeypots, honeypots and bees. So those are definitely very cute. That's MXM089. People say nothing's impossible, but I do nothing every day. That's funny. Okay, and then MXM090, we've got little Pooh scenes. So this is, oh, okay. Is that Christopher Robin? Is that his name? You guys, I'm sorry, I'm not super familiar with Pooh. There's Eeyore, I think, and I don't know the rest of their names. Isn't one of them Tigger? Where's Tigger? Is Tigger and Pooh, you guys? I don't know. Anyway, so we definitely have some different Pooh characters, and those are really cute. I think it's Christopher Robin. Anyway, please correct me if I'm wrong. Anyway, these are super cute Winnie the Pooh plates. So I know a lot of people got super, super duper excited about those. On to our polishes. Let's see what's in store for us. I'm probably gonna end up slicing my finger one of these days. Sorry, that was loud. Okay, maybe if I didn't open the bottom, I would have had better luck. Come on, let me in there. We do get that one. Oh, but that's a regular polish, not a stamping polish. Ooh, I don't know how I feel about that. Okay, so we have Winnie, for Winnie the Pooh color, I guess. And then we've got this Honeypot color. Okay, well, let's swatch them and see what they look like. Let me get some nails ready. I got some nails ready for us, and let's start with the Winnie the Pooh color. Sorry, Winnie. It's Winnie. It looks very Winnie. Winnie the Pooh is coming to chew. It's a nice, subtle, it's not a bright in your face yellow, but it's a nice, very subtle, chillax yellow. She's real pretty. I'm kind of far away there, aren't I? I guess I should get up a little bit closer for you guys. And honestly, one coat of that and you're done. It looks really good. This one I'm not so sure about. These kind of things I almost always sponge on because you'll see when I put this on here, there's not going to be a lot of those flakies. So that's one coat and my flakies are all over the place. So if we really want them on, we have to kind of like maneuver them on, which is hard to do in a polish that is not a gel polish. Anyway, so we'll see what a second coat brings, but I have a feeling I'm going to end up sponging this one on typically. Okay, dokie. Now I'm going to set those aside. Yeah, I ain't going to be able to stamp with this one. So no stamp, what is it called? Swatch me sticker for this one. This one, however, let's see how it stamps over black and white. Let me get that sticker. I've grabbed my utensils in order to stamp. And now I shall begin the process. Uh-oh, I forgot a scraper card. Let me go grab a scraper card. Okay. It's a little bit thinner than I expected after being so opaque on the nail. Okay, let's see. Pretty. I'm going to compare this to some other yellows that I have. I am super duper excited actually to have this yellow stamping polish that stamps really well over black and over white because my other colors that I have, this is Go Be You and this one always falls off. I don't know what this is, honestly. And then I have Maui Gold. And then my other two colors are older BMC colors. I use this one a lot. This older one that's called LOL, and it looks a lot like this one. In fact, I think I still like LOL better. I guess it just depends on what exactly you're looking for. But first of all, why do I have this many yellow polishes? And secondly, this is a good addition to my yellows. So I feel pretty good about it. This is Winnie with the new October box. And let's go ahead and put a second coat on our nail over here. Yeah, I really, honestly, guys, doesn't even need it. It's such an opaque color in one swipe that I really didn't need a second coat on there. I am curious to see how this color does with the second coat though, the Honeypot. We need more flakies on there, so let's get some more flakies on there. Okay, I'm opening up. This is what she looks like. And I don't want to brush my thing off too much because I need those flakies. Okay, honestly, as a background glitter, it really wouldn't be that bad. I could see this being a nice thing to be in the background. So I think that's their purpose. I think I saw it on the tutorial card real quick. Let me just double check that. Yep, Honeypot. Well, see, theirs is, I bet they sponged theirs on too, honestly. So anyway, it's not going to look like that after 2 coats. It's probably going to look more like this. It's going to be a little bit more spread out unless you sponge it on. So I tell you what I might do is with the, when I do the tutorial card, I might sponge a few more flakies onto this just so you guys can see how I do that. And then we'll complete the tutorial next time. Okay, all in all, I am not a super huge Winnie the Pooh fan, but I have people that I do their nails that I know that they're going to love this. So here's our 2 colors, Winnie and Honeypot. We have our 2 Winnie the Pooh plates that are MXM089 and 090. And then we also have, wait for it, where did she go? I'm so excited about it, it's already in my collection. We have the interchangeable liner brush that they gave us. So all in all, that's a pretty good set of tools for our nail kit. So thank you, Mani by Me, for a great October box once again. Now people, if you are like me, you love Maniology products. And if you do, then I suggest you use my code GrooveMama to get yourself 10% off of your order. Follow me on Instagram if you want to, at GrooveMama. And people, until we meet again, I hope you decorate every nail you got. Bye!